guys, it's me Shangar again with my speaker sound test. So what you heard in the beginning was the X Mini Wii thumb size speaker. So yeah, we're gonna start off with that, and then we're gonna go to the next one, which is the Blackweb Sound Pebble, then the On Mini Bluetooth speaker. Just to tell you, they're all Bluetooth. So we're going to be doing them all wirelessly. And just to tell you, these both have NFC. This one doesn't. And this one was $59. This one was $29.99 at Walmart. This one was $19 at Walmart. Okay, so let's start it off with the Wii thumb size speaker. Full blast. Okay, so that was the X Mini Wii thumb size speaker, and it was kind of breaking up, but I'm pretty sure that's because I didn't charge it for a while. And now let's go to the Blackweb, and actually I didn't even connect to that yet. Let me connect to that, and let's get on to the sound test. Okay, so it's connected, and let's turn the volume up on this. Okay, and let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Full blast again. Let's go.